Riu ni kugite na njokanirio ya miario gatagati ga Samidoh na one lady kule mwena wa TikTok uria urekitie kumbura na gutariria how Edday was able to permanently settle in the USA. Thaigia wa gukorwo ati when she left Kenya, she was headed for USA for a visit. She was on a visit visa. Na ndikorago ya kaida kanene, it only allows you to be in the USA for a very short while, then ugacokereria kwanyu bururi-ini. But we have seen Edday now able to permanently settle in USA, na ona nginya aki-enroll ciana ciake cukuru, and even Edday working and also acquiring a house in USA. Na maya mothe ndangihota gwika when she is a visitor in the States. No nginya angikorwo she has permanent residency in USA. Na nĩ kiũria Akenya na mafans muno makoretwo makiuria, how was Edday able to pull all this off? Na niho this lady eyumĩrĩtie na gũtarĩria na kinyi how Edday is able to live in the States na ciana ciake wega, na agĩkiumbũra ati Edday seems to have applied for asylum on the grounds that her husband was involved with another woman, na the woman is also a politician in her home country, na ati ugo ni gwedia ahotire ku apply na ku enroll for asylum in USA, and she was granted the asylum. Ariguo this lady atariirie na Gûtiga a Kenya ona maikiuga it makes a bit of sense. If she was able to apply and enroll for asylum and she was actually granted, then that could be the reason why she is still in the USA. Na Samidoh is one of the people who have come across this video, na he has actually come out to respond todo video ino kurigana na uria this lady aragitariria. Augete in fact Karen Nyamu may have been a push factor and a blessing in disguise for Edday Nderitu, although not directly, indirectly ona akiate kumenya todo tigane ndugu ino yao Edday may not have applied kana enrolled for asylum agikorwo nima agikorwo that is what happened and she was able to settle in the USA. Na Samidoh ni akiumĩrĩtie na gukorwo agicokeria this lady na akionania gukorwo ona akiate gukenio ni ndeto ino na agakimuria amenyete maya mothe atia, na akarikiria na kuga ati people can be so easy to fool, people can be so gullible. Samidoh akiuga ulijulia hayo yote ukiwa Kinoo, people can be gullible. Samidoh akiregana na ndeto ino, akionania kuregana na ndeto ino ati that is how Edday was able to relocate to the States, na agikiuria mamenyete maya mothe atia, yet none of them has ever explained kana revealed how Edday was able to relocate to the States. Not even Bernie Saroni, not even Edday, not even Samidoh himself. Undu watiga aingĩ mena mixed reactions. Oho makireact to what Samidoh has asked. Agikiuria andu mamenyagira ku maundu maya, Akenya magitigo magayukanite na matukanĩirwo whether to believe what the lady is saying that Edday sought asylum, that is how she was granted residency in the States. Na angĩ magitigo magĩkĩyũria, could it just be rumors na speculation? Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũ-subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.